everybody, today we're making pickled eggs, and I'm going to show y'all a fast, easy way to peel your eggs when you're wanting to make boiled eggs, pickled eggs, or anything that you have to do to peel off the shells. This is a quick, easy way to make your hard-boiled eggs peel simple. Let me show you. Now we've got our pot on high. We want to bring this to a full good boil before we place our eggs in the hot water. Now that you have your water boiling, you're going to take your egg and you're going to do what we call the spider web crack on the bottom of the egg. Take your egg, place it on the counter, give it a little tap, and you'll have your spider web crack. It's what we call it. And now we're just going to place them all back in here till we get them all done, and then we're going to place them in our boiling water. It don't take much, just a little tap on each one of our eggs. When we get them all done, we're going to put them in our boiling water. So if you're planning on doing some pickled eggs, this right here is the easiest way you can cook your hard-boiled eggs where the shells just fall right off. Now we got our water boiling, I'm going to go ahead and just drop down my eggs in this boiling water. Okay, now we're going to set a timer for 13 minutes. And now just fill a big bowl full of cold water. Our timer is about to go off. And now we're going to remove the eggs from the boiling water. Okay, y'all, our timer just went off. So we're going to take and place our hot eggs in this cold water. I'm going to go ahead and cut the heat off. And we're just going to take and place our eggs over in the cold water now. And now we'll just let them sit there until they get to where I can touch them. You'll want to let them sit in this cold water for probably around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we've let our eggs sit and cool in that cold water. So now we're going to peel them and put them in our jar. We're using a wide mouth jar to do our pickled eggs in. We're going to use this bowl just to hold them over to peel so y'all can see how easy our eggs will peel. Okay, y'all, that's the way you do a hard-boiled egg so it comes out smooth and the shells just fall right off. This right here is the easiest way to peel a hard-boiled egg. And now we're going to make our pickled eggs. And now let's make the brine for our pickled eggs. And this right here is what we're going to be using to make our brine. We're going to be using some sugar, some white vinegar, some salt, a bay leaf, some garlic, red pepper flakes, and just a few peppercorns. And we're going to add some purple onion and a little garlic cloves to ours also. We're going to take out around 2 of these cloves of garlic for this amount of pickled eggs. And now we're just going to take and cut about half of this purple onion. And then we're going to separate it. Since I decided to add a little bit of garlic and onions, we're going to layer them. We're going to add our real tiny bay leaf. When doing 1 quart of pickled eggs, I like to use just a little small bay leaf. Now let's make our brine. Now today we're making just a real simple brine. We're going to use white vinegar. If you wanted to, you could use apple cider vinegar, but we're going to add 1 cup of white vinegar, a 1/4 of a cup of sugar, a 1/2 cup of water, a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add just a few of black peppercorns, and we're going to add just a few red pepper flakes. And now we're going to bring that to a boil and let all that dissolve together. We've got our brine starting to come to a boil. I'm going to add just 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. I like doing this to my deviled eggs. It gives them a good taste. And plus, this right here is so healthy for you, and it's great to put in all kinds of dishes. So we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric to our pickled eggs. And now we're just going to mix that good in our brine. And if I had fresh, you could even add fresh. But we've just got this right here that Travis got for me, and it's organic, so I love using it. And putting it in pickled eggs is good for you. It has a lot of different health benefits. Okay, we've got this ready, so now we're just going to take and we're going to pour our brine right over the top of our boiled eggs. Now look how pretty. Our jar, our quick and easy way to peel your boiled eggs turned out for our pickled eggs. Okay, we're going to put our lid on it and we're going to give them a little shake and make sure everything's down in there. And now we can add just a little bit more of our brine to it, because it got in all the cracks and settled. Okay. And there y'all go. A fast, easy to make a jar of pickled eggs. Okay, y'all, that's our video on how we make homemade pickled eggs and how we make our eggs so easy to peel. If you like our video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.